Mobile homes, particularly double-wides, often utilize snap-type electrical connectors for the wiring systems. To safely and effectively manage these connections where they enter the structure from the exterior, dedicated cabinets and enclosures are available. These provide a protected and organized space for the electrical connections. Several options exist, ranging from pre-manufactured cabinets specifically designed for mobile homes to more general-purpose electrical enclosures. Firstly, consider mobile home electrical connection cabinets. These are purpose-built for double-wide mobile homes and feature multiple snap connector panels. These panels facilitate easy access to the electrical connections for maintenance or repair. Suppliers like Home Depot, Lowe's, and specialized mobile home parts stores commonly stock these cabinets. Secondly, examine RV electrical enclosures. These are similar to mobile home cabinets but are typically smaller. Designed for recreational vehicles that also utilize snap-type connectors, they can be adapted for mobile home use if space is a constraint. Thirdly, consider electrical junction boxes. While generally larger than the previous two options, junction boxes offer greater flexibility in terms of configuration. They can be mounted on the exterior wall to house multiple snap connector panels, providing ample space for a complex wiring system. Fourthly, if none of the pre-made solutions meet your specific requirements, explore custom-built cabinets. A carpenter or electrician can create a cabinet tailored to the exact layout and needs of the mobile home. This allows for complete customization of the enclosure. When selecting any of these cabinet options, certain features are highly recommended. Weather-resistant construction is crucial to protect the electrical connections from the elements, especially rain, snow, and direct sunlight. Sufficient space within the cabinet is essential to comfortably accommodate all the necessary snap connectors without overcrowding. Clear covers or windows on the cabinet can be beneficial for easy visual inspection of the connections without the need to open the enclosure. Proper installation of the chosen cabinet is critical for electrical safety. Ensure that the cabinet is securely mounted to the exterior wall and that all wiring connections are made correctly and in accordance with local electrical codes. If you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician. They can ensure that the installation is done safely and up to code, minimizing the risk of electrical hazards. In summary, managing snap-type electrical connections in mobile homes requires a dedicated enclosure to protect the wiring and provide easy access for maintenance. Options include mobile home-specific cabinets, RV enclosures, electrical junction boxes, and custom-built solutions. Key features to look for are weather resistance, sufficient space, and clear visibility of the connections. Always prioritize safety and consult with a qualified electrician if needed. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous, and it is always best to err on the side of caution. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a safe and reliable electrical system for the mobile home.